Hellcat.
Hello guys, now I'm gonna make a cake 3D paper squishy. So let's start. So you will need some ruler, some pencil, some scotch tape, some coloring, some pillow stuffings, some scissors. So let's start. And you will be needing some homemade instructions. So this is it. I'm gonna bigger. So guys, wait. So guys, this is. So I colored it, guys. Now I'm gonna cut it in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait. So guys, I'm finished, and this is scotch tape so it won't float off these papers. So I'm gonna scotch tape it in fast mode. So guys, I won't scotch tape it because I'm gonna scotch tape it, but I'm not gonna show it because it's too hard. So I'm gonna scotch tape it myself. So bye guys. So guys, I made it. This is my cake. So I hope you like, subscribe, and share. And comment down below. Hashtag Team Cousins. So bye guys. Squish it, squish it, squish it. And by the way, my name is Alicia. So bye guys.